teach you guys a new song for worship for Elevate. It is a song that I have been wanting to do with you guys for a while. Megan's been wanting to do with you guys. And so we're going to do it with you guys. The song is called We Are Royals. It is by North Point Inside Out. And it's all about our relationship with God. So we all know that God, Jesus, right, they're one, the Trinity, Father, Son, Holy Ghost. That God, Jesus, they're the king, right? The king. And so the song talks about how it doesn't matter where we come from, what we look like, no differences in us matter. The only thing that matters is that we are God's, and that he loves us very much. And so if we are part of his family and he is the king, then that makes us royalty. Welcome to the family. You've been part of the family for a while. I just wanted to re-welcome you now that you know you're royalty. Gotta bow, curtsy. But with, just like in any royal family, right? In any royalty, monarchy, there are ways you need to behave and rules that you need to follow. And that holds absolutely true for us as well, right? God is the Father, he's the king, and that makes us royalty, but that means we also have a responsibility to take on certain jobs, certain rules, to act certain ways. Jesus tells us that the two most important rules are to love God and to love others. So we need to act and show that we are loving others. Everybody. Remember, we already said it doesn't matter any of the differences. They don't matter because only thing that matters is that we are all God's. So, with all of that being said, let's get into our song. This is for the fast learners. If you are a slower learner like myself and you need a step-by-step motion guide, go over to our other video that is the instructional video. This is just if you are a quick learner and I'm super jealous of you, then this is the video for you. I only have one bit that I want to tell you. When we do this song, I'm going to yell out two separate things because there are two options for you in this song. Now, if you are with other people worshiping, meaning when we are back in Elevate and we do the song, or when you're in your home and you're doing it with your family, because really that's what you should do, then you're going to go with the first option. And in that option, I'm going to shout out together. I'm going to say together. Basically what you're doing is you're putting your hand behind the person on your right, and then your other hand on the behind the person on your left, and then you're going to sway together, right? Now, if you are not together with others, then you are going to A, make your family do worship with you. That's what I would do. But B, if you're like me and you just have Athena and she doesn't like to dance on two paws because, you know, that's uncomfortable for a dog, then you're going to go with this option. You're going to point and move to the sides instead of putting your arms around the sides because you have no one to put your arm around, so it would look really weird. So you're going to do this, and then you're just going to sway on your own. So what I'm going to do is during the song, I'm going to do it both ways. You do it the way that you're going to be doing it both times. Don't do it both ways. Do it the way you're going to do it both times. So if you have somebody with you, then you're going to do this and the swaying both times because it happens twice in the chorus. If you're doing it on your own, then you're going to do this both times, even when I'm not doing that. Got it? Make sense? Cool. I will shout out together to show you the together part, and I will shout out the yourself to show you the yourself part, even though I just showed you both parts and you already know it. Cool? Cool. All right, let's get ready for the song. It's pretty awesome. We're going to start off with clapping. By yourself. Free dance. Clap it again. Nothing? Together, ready? By yourself? Clap it out. Back to our chorus. We're going to do together first and then by yourself. Ready? Together. Single. Free dance. Good job, guys. You are ready for worship.